I just wanted to go over something that a lot of Evo owners are not aware of, which is this rear tow arm right here. For whatever reason, these tend to split on the end, and you can't see it here, but I'll show you in a minute. This car had 109,000 miles. When I decided to change out the bushing here to that the rear bump steer kit, I did my best to grab the shot. Again, this is usually covered by the wheel and the rotor. This is the rear tow arm that came off of my car. As you can see, is cracked where that casting mark is. And apparently it's so common that the replacement I got from eBay also has the same crack in the exact same place. This is what I'm talking about right here. A lot of cars have these and owners don't even know it. The ball joint is fine, but yeah, it's just the arm, the aluminum arm is cracked. So the seller sent me another one, and yeah, it wouldn't be a bad idea to stock up on these, especially if you're tracking the car or driving hard. Yeah, parts for these cars are getting really rare, so it wouldn't be a bad idea to keep spares. I have the tie rod ends, ball joints, because you just never know. So I practiced getting the bushing out with a ball joint remover kit, and it was so painful that I just brought the rest of them to my friend who had a Harbor Freight press. And honestly, it was still difficult because they have a lot of pieces you have to get rid of on the end. You have to get the right size adapters to push it out correctly without damaging the arm itself. And these are the pieces that came out.